Welcome to Tech Minutes. This is going to be our 2.5 episode. So, what we're going to be doing today is installing the Hoopla app. We've had a couple of requests for that. So, let's install Hoopla. This is the Android phone. So, let's find our Play Store. Now, we're going to go into Hoopla. So, just at the top, and type in Hoopla. Library app. It's the blue icon here. So Hoopla Digital Midwest Tape LLC. That's the one we want. So just type install. It's going to download. You do need a Google sign in, login to get into the Play Store. And you'll also need a login for Hoopla. So I just typed open when it installed. If I touch the home button on my phone and head back to that home screen, you'll notice that it's installed over to the left, right here. And there it is. So it's the blue icon. So Hoopla takes us back to that screen. So let's just plug in our email. Hard to type when you're looking around the webcam. Alright, so password. Done. It's going to say, oh, you don't exist. I haven't made an account yet. So let's do sign up. Email address. Let's give it that Pelham one again. Pelham. Password. Okay. And hit next. Doesn't like my password. It has to be 8 characters. So let's make it a little bit longer. Okay. So they can find your library by your location. That's just fine. Sometimes it's handy for them to know where you are. We are in Pelham, Alabama. Hit next. It's going to want the card number. So that card number, you can find it on your library card. Okay, so now we've got our login. So it accepted my card number. It's hard to see. Let's see if we can get it to focus a little better. Okay, so you can see that I've currently borrowed stuff. A couple short circuit movies. It does keep a history of what you've checked out. Find something new to check out. So let's do, what do we want to do? Abhorsen. There it is. It's the title. So undo the title. Abhorsen by Garth Nix. So we can just touch it. And we can see the page number, the year, make sure we have the right one. Gives us a little description of the book. Tells us it's an epic fantasy, adventure, fantasy. Gives us the publisher and the series. So if we touch the series, it'll give us all 3 of the books there. You can also do reviews. It's kind of fun. But we're just going to hit borrow. It's going to say we have 21 days to read that. Personally, that's a really short time. I'm a slow reader. So we'll do our best. So you're going to do borrow and download permission. Your phone needs to be able to download it. So it's going to say allow. And it'll start downloading. Always good to be on Wi-Fi when you're downloading it. So there it is. So it's been downloaded. To read. And there it is. You just use it like a normal ebook where you can just swipe the page numbers around. Just a little plug for the Ab Porson book. It is really good in audio. It's read by Tim Curry, but the book is fantastic. So that's it for Hoopla. You can do 3 checkouts a month, um, and it's reset the first of every month. So thanks for watching, and give us a like, and I'll look out for more videos. Thanks for watching.